Thank you, Rosa Ligos. Cristina Mendez, Philippine Star.
Sino ba? Ma'am.
Good evening, Mayor. Simula po nung sinibak niyo si Vice President Robredo, sabi niya po, hindi pa raw siya tapos sa laban at meron pa nga raw siyang mga information na maaring i-reveal laban sa drug war ng inyong administrasyon. Ko.
You seem to be threatening na may information ka. Ilabas mo. Ano yung mga statements na mayroong mga gano'n na marami pa akong information na bantay kayo. So, in this so many days that, how long was she there?
19.
She made an asshole of herself. Always talking. Ang ayaw ko doon, the first thing she did was to go to the embassy of the United States of America, then to the UN and to the EU, kung ano-ano. Then, ang sabi niya, kasi babae, okay na lang, sabi ko, I apologize. Kasi I cannot prove na hindi niya. Bakit magsabi yung ulol na putang inang prosecutor, I'm packed, I'm ready to go. May nag-imbita talaga, but since I cannot prove it because, ginamit ng cellphone, I have to go into, it's impossible. Sabi ko, sige, pagbigyan kita, I will admit na, pero lahat na kinausap mo, instead of talking to the law enforcement, instead of talking to the barangay captains, instead of talking to itong mga tao handling the rehabilitation, sabi ko, she made an asshole of herself. I will talk to the, kung sino-sino na, except ang dininay niya, yung prosecutor. Medyo abogado rin. Because I cannot prove it. Pero bakit nag-tweet that I'm packed, I'm ready to go, and arrest Duterte? Putang ina, barilin ko yan sa harap niya, papunta man dito. Arestuhin mo ako, hiyain mo ako ng ganon, impyerno ang labas natin.